everyone, welcome to Home Cooking with me Hema Subramanian. Be it for morning breakfast or evening tiffin or snacks, we're always looking to try something new and something healthy. So today I'm going to share a wonderful tiffin recipe and we're going to make this with poha. It's a very tasty steamed dumpling recipe that I'm going to show you. This is called Aval Kozhukattai. Now this is very popular down south in Tamil Nadu and it's very simple to make. So let's get started and check out how to make these delicious poha dumplings. I have kept all the ingredients ready for this recipe. I have taken 2 cups of poha. It's a 250 ml cup measurement. This is the flat variety poha I'm using for this recipe. I have washed and soaked the poha for about 2 hours. Next, we will temper the ingredients for the dumplings. To the kadai, pour 2 tablespoons of oil. Once the oil is hot, add 1 teaspoon of Chana Dal, 1 teaspoon of Urad Dal, 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds, 1 teaspoon of Cumin Seeds and fry them till they are a nice golden color. Once the mustard seeds start splattering, add 1 onion finely chopped, 1 piece of ginger finely chopped, 1 green chilli chopped and saute them till the onions come to a nice golden brown color. Once the onions are cooked, add 1 teaspoon of salt, 1/4 teaspoon of hing, some chopped curry leaves, some chopped coriander leaves and mix everything together. Add a cup of freshly grated coconut and mix it all in. The dumpling mixture is done, switch off the stove and keep it aside. To a wide bowl, add the soaked poha and add all the dumpling mixture. Mix it all together. You can use your hands and mash the poha with the tempered ingredients. The mixture should come together to a nice holding consistency. Shape the dumplings to your desired shape and size and prepare all the mixture in this manner and place it on a plate. Grease the steamer plate and arrange the dumplings in the plate. You can steam these dumplings in the idli cooker or in a steamer. The steamer is ready now. Place the plate in the steamer and allow it to cook for about 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, switch off the stove and let's see how the dumplings are cooked. You can see the dumplings are cooked perfectly. I'm serving these delicious hot dumplings with coconut chutney and tomato chutney by the side. You can enjoy them however you like. So I'm going to enjoy this with some nice fresh coconut chutney. Oh my god, it's just perfect, wonderful combination. It's so soft and so flavorful. These are so good and so tasty, and you can see it's a very simple process to make these. You can enjoy it for a nice evening tiffin or for a nice morning breakfast. So do try it and let me know how it turned out for you guys in the comment section below, and don't forget to share it with your family and friends. So for more exciting and wonderful recipes, subscribe to my YouTube channel and click on the bell icon to get your notifications. You can now buy the second edition of our home cooking book at shop.homecookingshow.in.